Do you want to add a collaborator in Facebook Reels? You can invite collaborators on Facebook Reel videos with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add collaborator in Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add a collaborator in Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, create or upload a Reel video. You can do this going into your profile and selecting Reel under What's on Your Mind section. Now, select a Reel video from your device gallery or tap on the camera icon to record a new one. Your video will open on a new screen where you can edit it as needed, adding effects, text, and music. Once your video is ready, tap on the next button. In the new screen, scroll down and find the Invite Collaborator option. Tap on it. Now, search for the name of someone you want to collaborate with in your Reel video and select their name from the list. You can select multiple accounts as well. Once you have selected the collaborators, tap on the Done button at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, add any additional details such as a caption, hashtags, and location to your Reel video. Once everything is set, tap on the Share Now button to post your Reel. Once published, your collaborator will be tagged in the Reel, and it will appear on both your profile and the collaborator's profile if they accept the collaboration request.